Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, I will show you how to upload video on YouTube from Android mobile in detailed steps. So, let's start the video. But before proceeding with this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post a new video. How to upload video on YouTube from Android phone? Uploading your videos to YouTube from your mobile device is perhaps the easiest way to do it. Whether creating content on the go or using your smartphone, the YouTube mobile app offers a quick process to share your videos with the world. To upload YouTube videos from your phone, open the YouTube app. If you're not already logged into YouTube on the app, log in now. You need a YouTube account in order to upload any videos to YouTube. To start the upload, tap the video icon at the top of your phone screen. It looks like a silhouette of a video camera. If you haven't uploaded from your smartphone before, you may need to authorize the app to access your phone's camera and photo library. Your next screen gives you the ability to record a new video, go live, live stream from your phone, or select a video in your library to upload it to YouTube. Tap Next to get to the next screen. Then, add the information you have already prepared before you started to upload. This is where you add the title, description, privacy settings, and location. Now that you've entered all of the information, you are ready to publish the video by tapping on Publish button. So, this is all about how to upload video on YouTube from Android in detailed steps. If you found this video useful, then give it a like and subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.